Today, I'm going to teach you how to get participants in Zoom Gallery view. This view allows you to see multiple participants on your screen at once, which is perfect for larger meetings where you want to see everyone's faces simultaneously. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options for starting or joining a call. Next, join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link you received, entering a meeting ID, or selecting a scheduled meeting from your list. Once you click to join, Zoom will connect you to the meeting room and you'll see the video feed start to appear on your screen. Now, once you're in the meeting, look towards the upper right corner of your Zoom window. Here you'll find the View button. Click on it, and the drop-down menu will appear with different viewing options for how participants are displayed during your meeting. From this drop-down menu, select Gallery. This is the key step that transforms your view. Instead of seeing just one speaker at a time, Gallery View arranges all participants into a grid layout on your screen. This makes it easy to see everyone who's joined the meeting, giving you a more comprehensive view of all attendees at once. The gallery view is particularly useful for collaborative sessions, team meetings, or any situation where you want to monitor multiple people's reactions and engagement. And that's it. You've successfully switched to gallery view in Zoom, allowing you to see all participants simultaneously in a grid format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.